You don't make up your mind to take the risk. Please feel free to come over towards my channel and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell that you get notified whenever I come out with new videos. Also, feel free to watch any of my videos here on the channel. Okay, let's get into the video now. The top 3 things why you are not rich. These are the top 3 things, and you need to pay close attention. Close attention to what I'm saying. Now, look at me. I'm going to do the countdown from 3 to 1. What are the top 3 things why you are not rich? Why you are not successful? Now, number 3 is that many of you complain too much. Complaining is just the point where you're going to weaken yourself. Sometimes you got to take the blame for whatever it is. Why you are not successful in life is because of you. Whatever it is, stop blaming your mother, your father, your sister, your spouse, your teacher, your aunt, your uncle. You just need to stop blaming others. Blame yourself. You are the reason why you ain't successful. So the moment you start taking the blame, this is what you need to do. Start taking action. Now, action going to lead towards one thing, which is result. And we will get further on to what the results are. 2, you ain't rich because of the fear. Your fear of losing money, your fear of losing your entire spouse, your fear that you won't be successful. You have too much fear and you need to get rid of your fear. I'm saying make sense? Well, if it makes sense to you, hit the thumbs up. Because fear holds us back at times. If we are fear that we're going to lose, well, we are going to lose. Because your thoughts is what create whatever it got to be for you in life. If you believe in yourself that you will fail, yes, you will fail. If you believe in yourself that you will be successful, of course you're going to be successful. You're going to be happy. You're going to be great. You're going to make it entirely in life. And the third one still comes towards fear. Stop being fear of failing. Because the more you fail is the more you're going to lead towards success. You got to understand, the faster you fail, the faster for you to get to your success. Stop doubting yourself and start making results. Making results is the best thing for you to do. I promote a product, and why I promote the product is because I believe in it. This product gives me the confidence that things can be successful. This product has changed my life, which is known as a mind hack. And I've seen results daily. I'm seeing results for my life to be better and for me to be successful in every way of my life. Whether it got to be financial, physical, spiritual, come on, even my relationship. Wow, it's going on great. So if you want the help with this product, it's in the first link in the description. The next thing I gotta say to you, don't forget to subscribe. I love you.